Hey guys, today's video is very exciting because Colourpop, yes, Colourpop reached out to me and they sent me their lip kits. All of these are now available at Target, so I thought I would swatch them for you guys and show you what they look like on. Before I get into the swatching, I know I sound horrendous. My allergies are so bad right now. My face feels like it's going to just like pop like a water balloon. Let's get into the fun now, the lip kits. So all three of these are available now at Target and they retail for $12. I think that's a great price because in each lip kit you're getting an ultra glossy lip and a lippy pencil. This is Better Together and you get the 20 carats ultra glossy lip and BFF lippy pencil. Next up is Best Besties and you're getting It Girl ultra glossy lip and BFF2 lippy pencil. And third is Dream Duo and you get Pasadena ultra glossy lip and 5 stars lippy pencil. You're up close and personal now and you could see how red my nose is. Alright, so first we're going to start off with Better Together, and this one contains my favorite lip pencil, which is BFF. It is such a pretty nude shade, and then 20 carats is just a clear gloss. So this is your perfect everyday gloss. I'm excited to have another BFF lippy pencil because mine got all messed up. Let's swatch this on the lips. I'm going to show you right now my favorite lip liner hack. You're going to close your mouth and then just run the lip liner in between your lips. And you're going to have something like that. To perfect it, I close my lips again and just outline my lips. Then to blend it, I'm just going to use the end of the lip liner. And that's how you get a perfect lip liner every time. This is a BFF on the lips, and then this is with 20 carats on top. Next up, we're going to swatch Best Besties. This is a BFF2, which is another really pretty lip liner. And It Girl Ultra Glossy Lip, which is a really pretty like peachy shimmery shade. Here's BFF2 on the lips. And this is what Best Besties looks like all together. And last is Dream Duo. This has the lippy pencil in the shade 5 stars. This is a really pretty color. In person, it kind of reminds me of Pillow Talk. And then this is the ultra glossy lip in Pasadena. I'm excited for this combo. It looks gorgeous. This is what 5 stars looks like on, and this is what Dream Duo looks like on. Those were the swatches of the Colourpop lip kits. I love all of these. The lip liners are amazing. They're very blendable, easy to use if you're a beginner, very beginner friendly. The lip glosses are so smooth. They feel like butter on the lips. They're not sticky at all. They're very comfortable. If you guys are interested in purchasing these, they will be linked down below. Thank you so much, Colourpop, for sending me these. Tell me your favorite in the comments down below. I really want to know. And that is it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.